This is how to play Zenzeleli Mizila. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of F sharp and also the key of G sharp. Okay, so we're gonna start first with the key of F sharp. Without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. For people who don't know how this song goes, I'm gonna start first by singing it to you guys and then I'll break it down after. Our song says Zenzeleli Mizila inyawo zenzeleli mizila inyawo mazibe nekhaya inyawo mazibe nekhaya inanana. Right, it's very simple, so let me break it down to you guys. So on the key of F sharp, this is where our song starts. Okay, just pause the video and watch the chords closely. This is the chord of B major second inversion. Okay, so from B major second inversion, it goes to F sharp major first inversion, which is this chord. This is our second chord. From this one, it goes to C sharp major second inversion, which is this one. And then from C sharp major second inversion, it goes back to F sharp major first inversion. Okay, it says zenzeleli mizila inyawo zenzeleli mizila inyawo mazibe nekhaya inyawo mazibe nekhaya inyawo. Right, so it's very easy. We're going to introduce our left. So remember, on the major scale of the key of F sharp, we have number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. Again for the last time, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, and then it repeats 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. So if you want to know all these things, guys, the names of the chords and all the other things that you don't know, you can just join our private community. There's my WhatsApp number up there. The price is 1,500 rand. Okay, that's for people who want to join our private community. So on the left, when you hit the first chord, you go to number 4. Okay, remember we have number 1 2 3. This is number 4. From number 4, you go to number 1 when you hit the second chord, and then you go to number 5 when you hit the third chord, back to number 1 when you hit this chord again. Okay, so it's 4 1 5 and then 1 on the left. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 4 1 5 1. That's how it goes. Okay, let me play it with a beat on the key of F sharp so that you can hear how it goes. Zenzeleli mizila inyawo zenzeleli mizila inyawo mazibe nekhaya inyawo mazibe nekhaya inyawo zenzeleli mizila inyawo zenzeleli mizila inyawo na 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 na. Okay, so I'm not that good with the key of F sharp, but that's how we play. That's all. Okay, so we're gonna move to the key of G sharp, which is this one. Okay, so on the key of G sharp, it starts right here on C sharp major second inversion. Okay, it starts here. From here it goes to G sharp major first inversion, which is this one. And then from this one, it goes to D sharp major second inversion, which is this one. And then back to G sharp major first inversion, which is this one. Okay, I hope you can see it. It says zenzeleli mizila inyawo zenzeleli mizila inyawo mazibe nekhaya na 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 na. Okay, so we're gonna introduce the bass. When you hit C sharp major second inversion, on the left you go to number 4. Okay, because on the major scale of the key of G sharp, we have number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, and then it repeats 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. So when you hit the first chord, you go to number 4 because this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. You go to number 4 and then you go to number 1. Number 5, back to number 1. Very, very easy. Okay? Let's play it with a beat. Zenzeleli mizila, inyawo ze, zenzeleli mizila, inyawo ze, mazibe nekhaya, inyawo ze, mazibe nekhaya, inyawo ze. Right? It's very, very easy. We can also play it again with the key of C sharp. Okay? So on the key of C sharp, it starts right on this chord. From here, it comes here to C sharp major first inversion. From here, it comes here and then back to C sharp major first inversion. Okay? So when you hit this chord, you go to number 4 on the left. From number 4, you go to number 1. From number 1, you go to number 5. From number 5, you go back to number 1. Because on the major scale of the key of C sharp, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And then it repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay? So it's number 4, number 1, number 5, and number 1. Okay? So let's play it with the beat. Zenzeleli